In this video, I will show you how to check recent activity on Facebook. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Facebook. Now to check your recent activity, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your account profile icon, and from this menu that comes up, just come down and click onto settings. Then what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto settings. From your settings, what you want to do now is come to this menu on the left hand side, and in the Meta Account Center section, you want to come down and click onto password and security. Then what you want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side and click onto your information and permissions underneath the account settings section. So this option just down here. And then what you want to do is come up to the top and click where it says access your information. So what that's going to do is load up a window on Facebook like this. From here, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click where it says your Facebook activity. Once you click onto this, you're going to see all your activity. So you can see your post check-ins, activities you're tagged in, and all these different categories and things from different areas of Facebook. So that is how to check recent activity on Facebook. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.